first.
This is nuts.
Yeah, it's only been 6 months. I got Mason over there crawling down the hill. So it's been 6 months since we've been out here on the trails. We can't believe how much it's grown over. The weeds in the hayfield are above our heads sitting on these bikes. We're trying to find some of these old trails. Dude! This is insane! That's the first time Mason has not successfully made it up that little climb. We couldn't get a run at all. Came straight out of the weeds. Yep. See if I can get up right here, which is normally the way we come down. Got a way up. I got super view on, guys, so it distorts all the angles even more than regular. This is much steeper than it looks on video. Trust me, bro. Break some of these. I thought you were clearing these trails while I was gone at the beach. Yeah. They look nice and clear to me. I don't know what you're talking about. Virtually straight up and straight down. I went up it last time, I got my foot caught on something. how washed out that is now.
Yeah.
That wasn't that deep at all.
This side ain't bad where we went through it with machetes.
Yeah, trail through was pretty good shape.
Actually, beautiful shape. I love the grass in there.
Yeah, that's nasty down in there now, dude. You almost need to like come down this side at an angle instead of crossing straight through. Fucking cobwebs are everywhere, dude.
I'm glad you're in front of me.
I know. And I was in front of my buddy John last weekend on this same trail, and it was the same way, dude. I was covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if I can like come down, come up the creek and up.
Like scratch the crap out of that tree right there.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Wonder what did that.
It ain't bear. It's obviously not a bear.
Yeah, and that's not from a deer rubbing.
No. Cat maybe.
Yeah, we'll see if I can like ride up that creek and catch an edge and get up it.